હેલો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, માય નેમ ઇઝ કાંજા ધાર્મિક એન્ડ યુ આર વેલકમ ટુ અવર ચેનલ. ગૌરવ છે, અમે પણ ગુજરાતી છીએ. એન્ડ યુ ઓલ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ like our channel, share and subscribe. And today I will say you about ISRO, our Indian Space Research Organization. And in that I will say you something about the mission Mars. We have done the mission Mars, we all know. And about the mission Mars I am going to say you something today. So friends, now we start. So first is engine firing. The first point is the 440 non-liquid engine and 8 number of a 22 and thrust fire impacting braking value of a 1098.7 meter per second. And second point is a burn states when MOM is speeding at the 5.127 km per second revolved to Mars at an altitude of 1847 km from Mars. Nominally, the burns ends in 24 minutes at the altitude of 973 kilometers and volcano of 4.316 km second. And during the burn, the lowest altitude the sacrifice research is 462 kilometers. Then the second is the communication blackout. Now let me start the communication blackout. The radio linked between the MOM and a ground station gets blocked by a Mars. Those about 20 minutes of the engine burns happens in this pieces, and all the operations are carried out autonomously. Now the third point is rotating the spacecraft after firing. So for that the burn is terminated when the requirement braking violate and the spacecraft is reorganized to point the medium communicate to the 70 meter antenna of a deep space network. Then other point is navigation in a deep space. Mars is moving, and so it is Earth after 680 million kilometers of travel. The target is to arrive within a tiny script of less than 2 kilometers at the right time. MOM employs acquired navigation modding and precision hardware and to achieve this. Then other point is firing of a liquid engine after 10 months. To extra MOI, the 440 north liquid engine needs to be restarted after being idle of 300 days. Since the transmission instrument burn, the engine was organically decision for a geometric satellite that use it over a period of days to achieve their planned orbit. On a ground, similar liquid engines were tested under simulated fight condition to prove the research capability. There is a communication at the distance of 224 million kilometers. MOM employs its highly sensitive, requires powerful transfer and antenna system to communicate with Earth at the distance of a planetary scale. Then other and last is a smart spacecraft. It takes about 25 minutes for a radio signal to research MOM and return to the ground station. This makes a real-time control and communication impactful. MOM is built within its owner intelligent to magnet. And so friends, thank you. And ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, Development of Space, Government of India. Thank you friends. Share our channel, how much you can share, and like and comment that how I have make my video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. And subscribe our channel, and our channel name is ગૌરવ છે, અમે પણ ગુજરાતી છીએ. Thank you.